If you had a magic wand to fix one thing in your piping, what would it be? Faster, more consistent tuning, perfectly steady blowing, pipes that are easier to play and take less effort, drones that lock in and stay there, or maybe you're looking to upgrade for some new reeds, a new pipe chanter, even a new set of pipes. Good news, this is the best week of the year to make these fixes and upgrades the right way. Black Friday week at bagpipelessons.com starts tomorrow, Sunday, November 23rd. I'm Yori Chisholm, and I've handpicked the tools and upgrades that help pipers get better tone, achieve steadier tuning, and get more enjoyment every time you play your pipes. We've got big deals that run all week, and every single day we'll reveal a new daily flash deal. Some of my most popular products at special prices for one day only while supplies last. These sell out, so don't miss out. Tap the link below to join my email list, and you'll be the first to know when each deal goes live. And make sure and follow bagpipelessons.com on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube so you don't miss a thing. If you're ready for a better piping experience with less struggle, pipes that sound better, this is your week. So stay tuned and happy piping.